Hello, so let's start with. So today we are going to solve daily problem on Leetcode. Unique length 3 palindromic subsequence. So in this problem, the problem statement is like that. We are we are having one string. We are having one string like that, and we have to count how many unique palindromic subsequence with length 3. So for that, first we have to go through the what is subsequence. So any subpart of subpart of string in which the character order of character we are not changing, like that. If in this string, if you are picking S, J and L, so it will be a substring. Like after S we are getting J, after J we are having L. Or if you are picking S, J and again S, so it is again a substring, because in our original string we are having S first, then J, then again S. So basically this is the meaning of subsequence. The next thing is palindromic. So we all are familiar with palindrome. In palindrome, first if you are reading from the left hand side, or if we read from the right hand side, we will get the same character, same string. So in this problem we have to determine how many unique palindromic subsequence with length 3. Now this length 3 constant making this problem very easy, because now we have to calculate just just those palindrome which having the length 3. So what is how many way to make a palindrome of 3 lengths? First character x and last character must be x, and in between we can place any number of y. This x and y may be any character. So how many way we can place x and y in such a way y will be in between the x. So for that we'll calculate we'll first calculate how many way we are getting a repeating character in subsequence. So in our string, suppose let's report suppose we are having a string of length this much. So we will calculate how many way we will calculate in how many way we can find a unique number of character which is surrounded by a same value. Suppose this, if we are having a uh, so let's understand by this example. So if you want to count how many palindromic subsequence which is starting with a and ending with a, so for that if you will calculate how many unique character that is surrounded by a. Like that, if we calculate b, if you calculate c, if you calculate d, if you calculate a, so these are the four character which is surrounded by a. So the unique palindromic subsequence that is start with a and end with a will be a, and end with a will be, either we can put b here, or we can put c here, either we can put d here, or we can put simply a here, or we can put b here. So if you are able to calculate how many unique character which is surrounded by a is, it will give you how many unique palindromic subsequence which will be start with a and end with a, and will we have calculating the all the palindromic subsequence which is starting with a and ending with a. We will do this operation same way for the all character if for starting from a and ending and till the z. So the our next question is we have to calculate how many character is starting and ending with the same character. How many unique how many unique character which is surrounded by the same character. For that, first we will calculate for each character what is the first occurrence of that character and what is the last occurrence of that character. What is the position of first occurrence and what is the position of last occurrence. If you will calculate the position of first occurrence and last occurrence, then we will simply iterate and count how many the unique character in between those points, and this will give us how many unique subsequence which is starting with a and ending with a. So there are four character which is surrounded by a, like b, c, d, a, four character. So here we will get four unique subsequence which is starting with a and ending with a. On the same way, if you want to calculate how many character which is surrounding by b, so this will be c, d, and a. These are three character which is starting with which is surrounded by b. So now in this example we are having seven palindromic subsequence. First one, four subsequence which will start with a and end with a, and we'll get three character which will be start with b and end with b. So now go to the code. So first, here I have already submitted my code, so we'll go through that one. So let's understand the code for the same. So first we'll go through the first we'll here we are having two vectors. This vector will store the first occurrence of that particular character, and this last vector will store the what is the last occurrence of that character. So we will simply iterate through the all the elements, and if you are getting first occurrence of any element, if you are getting the first occurrence of any element, then we will update the first occurrence and last occurrence both. But if you are getting if you have already got any occurrence of that element, then we will simply update the last occurrence of that element. Once we will get the all the first occurrence or last occurrence of the element, then we are going to calculate what are the possible unique character within the first occurrence of element and occurrence of the element. For the calculating the unique character, we have make one function. This function will take first position, last position, that string and vector of the first and last. So let's come here. Here we are having the code for the calculating the unique character of unique character. So we are having one vector. This vector will take care of if we have already visited that character or not. Whenever we are getting any new character, we will update the visited points that will in visited array. It will give you the position. It will give you have you already visited that point or not. And whenever you are getting any point first time, then we will increase the count. In this way you will get how many unique character between the first occurrence and last occurrence of the character. And after counting the unique character between each character, will update the answer. So in this way we will able to calculate the all the possible lengths possible three length unique palindromic subsequence. Thank you.